What's up everyone, this is Joe again. I'm back here with another video. Today I'm going to show you my Phantom 2 here in the backpack, and we are going to play it, and I'm going to show you my setup. Let's start it. Okay, now guys, this is my bag, my drone. This is a bag when you go to the airport. This has a cart here, but I remove it and make it the bag for my drone. It's lying around doing nothing, so I made it a bag of my drone. And this one here, this is the cup. It's made of I think this is a rubber, I don't know what they call this, but it's a rubber something that is puzzle. It's color green. Same thing here. The material of this is the same here. I formed it to fit my drone inside. This is my Phantom 2 drone. As you can see here, let's put it aside first. Remote control, and it's hard. This is my remote control setup. I changed the antenna. I bought a bigger antenna here to fit here, and then I invented a GoPro mount. These are GoPro mount, and I form them like that. And then this one here, this is my FPV receiver. It's not a Wi-Fi, it's a 5.8 gigahertz receiver. The Phantom 3 has a Wi-Fi setup, and it's a 2.4 gigahertz setup. This is not a 2.4 gigahertz, this is only 5.8 gigahertz, so it's not HD. Now here's my cell phone, and we are going to mount it here, and this is going to be my FPV receiver. I'm going to put the wire. Here's the wire here inside. This will not work if you will put the wrong wire here, and stuff it in here. That's my receiver. This receiver is a Happy model VMR 40 5.8 gigahertz video mobile receiver. And the app I'm using to view the video is the Camera. You can download it in Google Play Store. This is the one here. I hope you see it. Camera Pi. It's loading now, and it will not receive the video because the drone is not yet turned on. And we are going to look at the drone. This drone is a Phantom 2. No security sensor facing down like Phantom 3. Phantom 3 have it here, and the Phantom 4 have sensors here in the front, so that it's going to sense if it's going to bump like that. So it has more features than this. You have to be very careful when you're flying this drone because you're on your own. You don't have security sensors on it. And I'm using this GitUp G2 camera. This is a clone of a GoPro Hero 4. That's why it fits here in Zenmus gimbal. I put additional weight here because this camera is, the GoPro Hero 4 is a lot heavier than this camera, and when you put this camera here, it's not going to balance. So I put some weight here, additional weight, so that it's going to be balanced. As you can see there, it's not really balanced, but that will do. Okay, now we are going to put the props. The props here. Very careful in putting props, because don't put it in the wrong motor. Black is to black, gray is to gray. This one is the black. You have to look at it. As you can see, this drone is old, and here, I don't know if you can see it, it's getting rust. Here, the motors are getting rust. It is almost 3-year-old drone. Now we're going to fly it. Okay guys, this place is not really a good place to fly the drone if you don't know what you're doing. So you have to place the drone in the flat surface and no ceiling over in the top. But I know what I'm doing, so you be careful with your drone flying. Okay, we're going to start the drone now. I have calibrated this drone already, so I don't have to calibrate it here. And the way to calibrate this drone is you push this stick here up and down fast, and then this light here will become solid yellow. It's now blinking because I'm not turning on the remote. And then you're going to turn this like that, and then it is going to turn to solid green, and then we're going to face it down and turn it like that until it's blinking green. Okay, that's how you are going to calibrate this drone. Okay, we're going to turn on the remote. Okay, remote is turned on, and the video receiver is not yet turning on. I think I forgot to turn on the OTG of my cell phone. I'm going to turn it on. Restart the app. Camera 5 there. Okay, there's the video now. We are going to fit to video. Okay, now there's the camera. It's facing forward. Okay, the GPS is 13, good. Battery 98%. You have to check it first before you fly. Now we are going to hit the record button here. It's recording, and we're also going to record the screen. Okay, screen here, record screen. Okay, now we are going to start the drone. Be very careful. Now the motors are on, and then we are going to take it off. We are going to take it here, and be very careful. There you have it, guys. The drone is drifting a little, waiting for the GPS lock. I think it's locked already. The GPS is 14, and now the drone is staying in its place. We are going to fly the drone, move it away. We are flying the drone away. This drone is still a great drone. I think this is released 2015. I don't know if I'm correct about that. But this is still a great drone. If you don't have Phantom 3 or Phantom 4, still a great flyer. GPS drone. We're going to try and make a drone shot. Okay? Make a drone shot. Goodbye. Goodbye, drone. Drone now is very far away. I think that's 300 meters. And still And as you can see in the connection of the video, it's not really good. The video is having a lot of noise. The video is having a lot of noise, but still the drone is controllable at distance of that. I think that's 300 meters. Drone is there, flying up high. I don't know if you can see. Going to bring it back here. Pull down, bring it down a little bit. The battery is now 77%. This drone can fly up to 15 minutes of flight time, but I'm not going to risk the drone. When I see the battery is in 50%, I'm going to take it down. I'm not going to risk my drone. I'm very careful with this drone because I cannot buy something like this again. It's very expensive, you know. These drones can still fly. We're using this drone to film weddings and some other outings. There's the drone. We are going to orbit it around us. Still flies okay. Slowly. The drone is having a hard time in the wind. Battery is 65%. GPS is still 14. It's great. Now we are going to test the altitude hold of this drone. Altitude hold where it's not going to have a GPS hold, only altitude hold, like the altitude will stay. We are going to turn it on now. The wind is going to blow it. It's not having a GPS lock. As you can see, it's drifting, but it is going to fly a lot faster when you're in GPS mode. As you can see there, I don't know if you can see it. The drone is a lot faster in altitude hold. We are going to try this altitude hold. Going to push it far away. There, it's very fast. I will show it in the video. It's very fast. We are going to put it back to GPS mode. It's going to lock. Okay. The battery is now 55%. I am now going to land it. Maybe fly a little bit. I'm going to don't know if you can see that. Goodbye. Okay, that's enough. Drone is up there and I'm going to land it now. Now to land this, I'm not going to land this in the ground. I'm going to catch it with my hands. Don't do this if you don't know what you're doing, guys. I'm doing this for a long time and this is how I land my drone. Okay guys, this is a Phantom 2 drone. If you guys like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos to come. Thank you for watching. Catch up later with my new video.